first thing you're gonna need is an image of a plain color. You need to open it up and then select markup and then select text and then just put on your desired message or words. You can change the color, the font, and everything. You can also move it around if you wanna. After that, after you're satisfied with what it looks like, you need to go to File and then Save. After saving, you have to select Instant Alpha and just drag it on the place where the background is. And then just click Delete. After that, you have to save it once again. And now you have a PNG. Just open up iMovie and you can just drag the image in your media and put it where you want it to be. Now, once again, you just need to drag the image to the editing box. And in the crop settings, you need to select Fit. And then in the leftmost setting, you need to select Picture in Picture. Take note that you need to make the dissolve 0 seconds so that it won't fade in or out. And then you can move it around, scale it bigger or smaller. Here, I'm just tweaking the details a little bit. I'm just moving it around and seeing where it should be going. So I'm just gonna fast forward this one. And that's how you make a title in iMovie without the effects of fading in and fading out. Thank you for watching.